candle here. Look at the candle. After this retracement, this candle has come and closed below this 50 exponential moving average, and there was a bearish engulfing here. That's our confirmation. We use our 15-minute chart and got our entry here exactly at this point, exactly at this breakout. That's how we got our entry. So let's go back to our 1 hour chart. So you can see this is the best strategy to trade volatility 75 index. This is the best strategy to trade volatility 75 index. You can see everything is intact. Everything is intact. Those that have captured this swing have captured from here, and this is one of the best strategy I'm giving you here. Click on the bell notification so that whenever I uploaded a new branded video like this, YouTube will be able to notify you easily. So let me give you the settings for this strategy, because I have already promised to give the settings for this free strategy, because this is a free strategy. If you need more free strategies on this volatility indices, kindly contact me or contact my support manager with your complaint. We can be able to make a new video for you related to your problem. We can also continue to trade like that. So let me give you the settings and the guidelines for this strategy. So let me give you the settings. On the main, in the main window indicator, number 1, we have the period, the 50 moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to weighted close. Style, this is it. You can use anything you want. So that's just it. Sorry, let me give you weighted close, style H4, so you can screenshot it so that it will be faster. I don't want this video to be very long. The next is RSI, relative strength index, period 1, apply to close. Levels, we have this level. You can screenshot them: 15, 95, 0, 90, 10, and 50. Those are the levels we have. Color blue, you can choose anyone you like. Moving average, we have the red moving average, which is the 50 moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to weighted close, HLCC/4. Levels, no levels, style right. That's it. Then the next moving average is the 3-period moving average. We have the shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, levels, no levels, style pink. So you can leave it and put the next one. So the next one is moving average 5, period 5, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style. This is the color. You can use anything you want. Don't mind the fixed zones. You can use the fixed zones. You can use anything you want. Just make sure the structure is exactly looking as mine. This is the one I give to you. Then the next one is moving average period 13, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, color blue. Then the next, color blue 5, then period 8, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, levels, style blue, yeah. So the next one is moving average 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style right. And the last one is period 200, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style green. So the guidelines for the strategy is number 1. Let's check some text here. If you look at this, is a base support. What I mean by base support simply means a support that was formed. Let me show you what I mean here. If you look at this support, there was a lower high here, which signifies the market was unable to come and break this previous swing low. So the market just retested this area and continue going up. And this level here on this RSI frame, this level here is just you can see the level is base, it's not moving anywhere. But let me show you one level again here. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, look at this one. You can see from here it looks like it's a base support, but when I drag the screen, you see towards it, look, see this where this level is. So these are not the levels we are trying to trade. See, these are the levels we will trade. Look at this, is another base level. This is another base level. All the moving averages plus the red moving average cross upward. The green moving average is the 200 exponential moving average. This is at none that the only confirmations, and these are the only rules guidelines for this strategy. Remember, for every strategy it must have a rule base that guide it. If you don't have any strategy that don't have a rule, definitely you are not trading. You are just wasting your time to trade, and sometimes the market may likely to go against you. You see, this market has come down, but I still know my trend, and I still know my direction. I'm still holding to some TPs here. Please, if you find value on this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel, and comment on this video as well. If you didn't find any value on this video, please kindly help me with a dislike and tell me how I can be able to improve in my next video. This is nice to talk to you here. See you in my next video. Bye. قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى